Here for 30 seconds. The scissors. Did you see that? The scissors somewhere? Oh, thank you. Just cut wherever you would like to. This one is cute. This one has some butterflies in there. I'm gonna trim it right there. Cut it just right here. Oh. That's fun. Let's have cute butterflies there. Foxy, yes, this foil is really a game changer. All right, see, I am going to using right here. You can get, I'm going to get that spot so I can get the cute butterflies right there. And you remember, you can always layer them, okay? If you want to do another butterflies in here. Super cute. I am gonna get my cute little butterflies here. Or even a cute flowers there. Maybe super cute butterflies right there. Cute flower there. I can do super, or I just leave it there because I'm gonna do some crystal on that. I almost cover it, but do just a little bit crystals on that. Super cute. Condensed little gels. I can't do anything else crystal placement without this condensed little gel. It's my like lifesaver, crystal saver. And symbol applies really blend it really nicely because it's really thick density, so you're gonna feel it's really thick consistency. Then you just blend it out and then no white top coat. It's so cute, right? If you have either stickers or if you don't have, if you have a number 24s, chamfer foils is such a great chamfer foil. Have all different cool even that one, it looks super cute too. Yeah, it's bright. Nice and bright. I didn't want to go all the way down because it might covers all my cute butterflies. But you can go down, you can do it more if you would like to. Side. I'm going to put some beads on it. if it then just salons, how much would you charge this for your clients? You would like even estimate how much should you charge? This is being good design if your ladies doing a like press on or glue on for the client's nails. It's really beautiful, super quick, easy, because you already have your techniques, and then you can doing like a chamfer foil and some cute design like this. Like a whole set of this is so gorgeous. And if you need to do like a 5 or 6 nails, it doesn't take much time, and it just give you a really beautiful like image. I'm really obsessed with this. So if you like this, then you just need to cure it for 60 seconds, and we can double check with precision glue to double secure. You like it? Okay, then now we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Maya, you always clean your kitchen. Oh, thank you, Zoe. Bye, ICJ Nails. I hope you're enjoying it. Thank you so much, Eugenie. Clean off your tables. Oh, great. So we did like really cool and like 3 nails today. What I'm doing is precision glue and double check with this. To make sure they are stay double secure, and I'm going to using a twin tip brush and then blend it nicely. Great, and key it for 60 seconds, and this nail will be done. Oh, so next nails will be for live resin. You're asking for fruit and diamond dust pixie, right? Use a white chamfer gel bottle. Yeah. But oh, maybe tomorrow, because we're going to doing the fruit and pixie for you. I'm thinking of that. Live ras tomorrow. I'm gonna do that for you. Chamfer foil. I'm gonna do this one for the fruit and pixie as you request. Unless you wanna chamfer foil something underneath, but it's gonna take it away from our fruit. So I'm gonna do this fruit. I'm excited because we can do these 2 colors ombre. This one, final look for this nails. Live bars, I would love to do it for you tomorrow.